Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can manage messages notifications on Instagram. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can manage messages notifications on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. Once you open it, you will be directed into this Instagram homepage, and then you will see here your profile icon. Tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be directed into your Instagram profile. And then in here, tap on these three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, select the settings and privacy. And then in here, you will see how you use Instagram. And here, tap on the notifications. And then in here, you will see here the messages. Tap on these messages to manage notifications on your Instagram messages. And then in here, you will see message requests, message from individual and group chats, message reminders, message from broadcast channels, and message from social medias and group requests. You will also hear the broadcast channel and invites. For example, you want to turn off notification on message request, tap on this circle beside the off button, and then so on. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage messages notifications on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage messages notifications on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.